In front of me is POCO M8 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and click on Bluetooth. Now use this switcher next to Bluetooth to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Now click on this little icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable it. And when you're ready, select Pair. Now all you need to do is wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or if you're trying to connect to a phone or a tablet, accept it manually on the second device. Either way, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, click on this icon right next to Connected Device and check out all of those options. You can manage those switchers, rename device you are connected to, tap on device type and pick one of those so your phone will connect better to, for example, your earphones, or hit Unpair if you want to forget this device. Don't worry, you can always reconnect it the same way as before. So when I click, my devices were successfully unpaired. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!